This guy's an amazing driver, everybody. You already know this. Check him out. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
What's up, fellas? Recently on Instagram, well, all of the internet, there's this car that has become a internet meme, right? This car that always crashes into people, crashes into crowds, into poles. The infamous Mustang. So we're here to find out today, is it the car or is it the driver? People do donuts and then go into a pole. So we're gonna do donuts around the pole. We're gonna do 4 different tests. We'll call this like a stunt driving video, right?
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
So donuts, super easy. We'll have Robbie do that. And then drift, I'll do a drift around here. And then the third thing, people always crash. Yeah, launching. I've seen so many of these. First gear, as soon as they shift to second gear, they go sideways. Yeah, they're sideways. So you'll do that.
I'll do that.
Okay. And then I want to do a 360.
I can't wait
to rip like 80 miles an hour over here and just flip it, do a 360 and go that way. So let's begin.
Let's do it.
Let's start with the donut. Oh, Robbie just chopped the mufflers off. Such a Mustang thing to do, right? Because they weren't loud and obnoxious to begin with.
Such a Mustang guy.
What I'm just trying to figure out, Robbie, is why does 420 horsepower need to sound that loud? That's louder than any car I've ever owned. Mustang owners, right? So Robbie's gonna attempt to do donuts around that pole. Maybe I should get up on the pole, stay safe. Oh shit, I'm in the kill zone. We'll give that like a 7 out of 10. It was a pass. It was a pass. Good. How was that? That was good.
Bad.
That was like a 7 out of 10?
Yeah. See, the thing is, I'm used to... I had an M5 before this, so it's a little bit easier to control, traction control right here. This,
what, the M5 is?
Yeah, the rear end on this loses control, so I don't know if you could see in the video, but I'm like really feathering the throttle, not trying to give it too much, letting off on the steering wheel, not going too hard. You just kind of got to play with the motion and figure out.
Okay, so, woo! I guess the question everyone wants to know.
Let's do it.
Is the Mustang any different than the M5? Would you say both the front engine and rear wheel drive, it's easy to, like, it's the same, they're comparable, or is one easier than the other?
The M5 is much easier.
Okay, well, good thing I'm about to attempt a power slide.
You still gotta do your practice run too, homie.
Shit, I don't need a practice run. All right, now I'm a little scared. Now that he said this car is different. All right, let's do this.
That's what I'm talking about right there. That was perfect, precise precision. How do you feel?
Honestly, it swings. I'm not gonna lie, it really swings, but it's easy to control. It's definitely a pass. It wasn't that hard. The first time, I didn't give it enough. The second time, I was scared. I'm like, oh, it's a Mustang. Let me take it easy. The second time, I felt a little more comfortable with it. It likes swinging, but I can tell how it could go wrong. Right? If you don't anticipate it.
Why do you think so many people freaking just lose control?
If I was 16 and I was 18 driving this car, right? Yeah, I would have probably liked
the sound.
I might have been by that pole over there. But you know, I have like 15 years of experience.
That pole right there.
That one, yeah. Dude, so far, I really like this car.
Okay.
It's fun.
I like it.
It's a cheap, good fuck around car. Sorry, I don't
no.
car cheap.
Oh, no offense taken. It's all good.
Yeah. It's a great car to have fun with. The third test where everyone...
What's the third test?
Okay, here's where everyone goes wrong, okay? Burnout in first gear, come to second gear, and for whatever reason, it seems to always go left.
Every time.
Every video I've seen, it always goes left. Here's the reasoning behind it. When you floor in first gear, right? All the weight goes to the rear, so the car, you know, hops on the ass. When it does that, there's no weight in the front tires. So the wheels can be pointed this much, but the car will only turn that much because there's no weight on the front tires. The front tires aren't dictating where the car is going.
Yeah.
It's the rear. If you're coming into, perfect example with a Porsche, right? Going into a turn on the apex, if you're on the gas too early, it just understeers, even though you got full turn.
Yeah.
So what you're supposed to do is just gently tap the brakes to bring some weight on the front tires. Now it'll actually go where the front tires are pointed. So in this case, first gear burnout, tires are pointed a little. Driver doesn't know they're pointed a little because the car's generally going straight because you're just doing a burnout. It might be veering off just a little, but that's not enough for the guy to think it's really gonna go. So
yeah, exactly.
As soon as they clutch in to shift to second gear, even though it's momentarily, just a split second, the weight shifts from in the rear, goes a little to the front, kind of goes to neutral, right? Puts a little weight on the front tires. So now that you got weight on the front tires and the tires are pointed one direction or the other, the car starts going that way.
Yep.
You go to second gear, not anticipating that the car is gonna go one way, right? And as soon as they go to second gear, full throttle, again, initiating a power slide, a drift, you know, another burnout. But because the tires are pointed and the front is not going that way, the rear just goes along with it, and you know, that's that.
And then all hell breaks
So,
loose.
first gear, burning out, look at your steering wheel. See, is it pointed to the left or right?
Yeah.
If it's pointed to the left, just anticipate that you're gonna have to counter steer right as soon as you go into second gear. That's the easiest way to overcome that. Because once you hit oh shit, it's oh shit, it's too late.
I don't want to be on the Mustang compilation video, trust me.
Exactly.
We're good on that.
So that's the best way I can explain it. Robbie, without further ado, it's your turn, sir.
Let's go.
That was as straight as an arrow. I mean, it could not have gone any straighter than that. That was a 10 out of 10. That was perfect. It seriously didn't
all
veer.
you do is just correct.
Yeah.
Like, you know, you got to see where you're going and then just point that.
Ford Motor Company will be very proud of us. It's a 3 for 3. Now I got the last one. The most difficult one. I'm gonna attempt a 360 over here. So to do a 360, go about 60 to 80 miles an hour. Turn left, yank it left. And as you're yanking in the left, pull the emergency brake. Drop the emergency brake as soon as it starts going. Counter, it'll bring you around, and then bring it back left and give it some throttle. And you're doing a 360 and headed the same direction as you were originally pointed at. All right, we're gonna do the hardest part.
I'm doing my nervous dance for you. Hey, look, this is my nervous dance right here. This is my nervous dance.
Terrible. Terrible. We're car drivers. Not
true that. We're not salsa.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna come. Where would I?
Wait, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do a 360. I'm gonna come from there. Yeah, stand right here.
How about I come on this side?
So
yeah, right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna come.
It's perfect.
Perfect.
No
cool.
sun. Good idea.
All right.
This guy's an amazing driver, everybody. You already know this. Check him out. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Seriously, I almost just shit my pants. I probably just did, but I've seen driving before, like stunt drivers like that, but not like this, bro. Oh my god.
That was fun.
Bro,
that was fun.
Hold on a second, hold on a second.
You alright?
Listen, that's like my RC.
How was that? It looked great from inside. How was it from outside?
It was unbelievable.
Real? Okay.
Like, that's gone in 60 seconds, like G shit right there, bro.
Hey, Robbie, let me give you a ride. Come in the passenger seat. It's so much fun.
Oh my god.
You know, Houston says, famous quote from Houston. I think we'll play it right now. In case you don't have the audio recording of that, he always says, I'm never getting in the passenger seat with you. Every time I get in the passenger seat with you, there's an 86% chance of a fatality. I'm never getting in there. I have 2 daughters. I hate being in the car with Edmond. Mario.
Oh my God.
Come in the passenger seat. It's fun.
Okay. Oh my Jesus Christ, man, I love you. Holy shit.
How dope is this car?
Oh my God.
I love this car.
I love it.
Should do some fucking donuts. Just
Okay.
Let me do donuts around the pool. Look how easy it is to do donuts in this car.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you start figuring it out.
Oh man, Robbie,
Dude, my heart is on fire.
Is it really?
That's
fun,
awesome. Oh my God. You're gonna see my reaction so bad on this. Oh my God. Holy shit.
Alright. Oh
my God. You remember that video with Jeff Gordon and he drives the Camaro at the dealership?
Oh, yes.
That's how I feel. I kind of.
So, Robbie, I gotta say, to everyone
awesome.
watching this video,
That was the shit.
Mustang is honestly the shit.
I'm just saying, I love this car more after doing what we did.
I'm not just saying this because you own the car.
Yeah.
It is such a fun car.
Thank you.
I know Houston talks shit about this car. He's like, oh, it's a Mustang. Bugatti this, Bugatti that, right?
Wait,
Oh,
what?
Houston, we call it. But you can never have this much fun in a Bugatti. I can never have this much fun in my Murcielago. You know, like Huayra, whatever it is. It's just, if you know, if you wreck it, it's easy to replace.
Right.
Right? And because of that, you're now thinking about wrecking the car. That thought isn't in your head.
Yeah.
You're not thinking about the pole. What if I hit the pole? What if I hit the pole, right? The car always goes wherever you're looking. So if you're looking at the pole, it's going there. In a Bugatti, I would be like, oh my God, like I'd be so nervous.
Yeah,
I don't want to wreck this car, right?
So doing what we're doing.
I wouldn't push that car 30% of what I just did.
Exactly.
And for that reason, this car gets a Mondi score. We're gonna do a first Mondi score ever.
Really?
Yeah, a 10 out of 10. It is seriously fun. I will not talk shit about Mustangs anymore.
That's what I'm talking about.
Just the drivers.
Hell yeah.
It is the Mustang drivers that crash. Fuck man, thank you. Guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. You're gonna see a lot more of Robbie. We might modify this car. Why not, right? It'd be cool to have a car like this on the channel. Maybe a blower. Maybe some real mufflers, not those ghetto cut-out mufflers.
Yeah.
But yeah, give it a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Please share it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I watch the statistics. Only about 40% of you guys watching these videos are actually subscribed to the channel. So if you guys can please subscribe to the channel, it would mean a lot to us and motivate us to make more of these videos. Until next time.